we're giving you an overall overview of this journey with the hope that it will be somewhat useful for your own research plans. So when we talk of science in general, we often miss the philosophy part. We go for the publications, patents and all that, companies, but in fact in JNU, when I was heading the School of Biotechnology, our students asked, we are talking about entrepreneurship and spin-off, but they said, have you yourself experienced what an entrepreneur has to go through? Because जानते हैं बहुत easy है, मैं कह सकता हूँ कि भाई आपको कंपनी शुरू करनी चाहिए, but उन्होंने ये क्वेश्चन पूछा कि भाई आपने खुद किया है क्या? So that was very important feedback from the students. And फिर हमने मेरे पोस्टडॉक के साथ हमने 2 कंपनीज एस्टैब्लिश की, so वो भी एक जर्नी रही, तो उसका भी मैं थोड़ा सा एस्पेक्ट आपको कोशिश करूँगा कि भी ट्रांसमिट करें. So overall, when you see the way we do science, is suppose there are plants and animals out in the field. How do you describe them in terms of the mechanism? The leaves are green, animals have certain colors, shape, size, locomotion. How do you explain that? Is only when you open up the organism. बाहर से तो एक व्यू दिखेगी, लेकिन अंदर से फिर आपको देखना है कि डिफरेंट लेवल्स पे जाने के लिए, एंड दैट्स व्हाट इज साइंस अबाउट, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड रिडक्शनिज्म. This is a popular term. The reductionism is a popular term to talk about the philosophy of going from top level to the minute level when you get into this explaining the things. Observing एक बात होती है, लेकिन explaining दूसरी बात होती है. तो ये जो जर्नी है जिसको हम रिडक्शनिज्म बोलते हैं, ये ग्रेगर मेंडल से शुरू हुआ था. When you found there are similarities between the grandparents, parents and offspring, वहाँ पे थोड़ा आगे ले जाएंगे ना तो शायद फोकस होगा.
रिजोल्यूशन प्रॉब्लम है सर, इसमें नहीं
नहीं इसमें नहीं है सर,
इसमें नहीं है
अच्छा,
रिजोल्यूशन.
ये कंप्यूटर में प्रॉब्लम है.
ये भी कम कर दिया इससे तो
नहीं सिस्टम का रिजोल्यूशन, सिस्टम
अच्छा, सिस्टम का
रिजोल्यूशन
I will have to
इसका रिजोल्यूशन.
I know how to do this. I have no idea.
ज़्यादा फैट
चलो इसको लाइट को बंद कर दो.
पीछे
लेकिन ये अभी भी आउटसाइड व्यू है, ये अभी भी हम जूम इन नहीं किया है. तो when you zoom in and in order to understand, somebody will ask, okay, what is the reason for this resemblance? So naturally you have to open up the organism. So you opening up, that is going in depth, that gives rise to different fields. So you have gross anatomy. When you have unaided eye, you can see what's there in the form of the anatomical substructure. And then if you go a little deeper into the organs, then you first of all come across histology, which is basically going to talk about the way the tissues are arranged. अगर हम उसके आगे जाते हैं, because we have microscope, we have chemical staining techniques and so on, then the next level of resolution is the cell itself. So as you see that as you get more and more data, as you leave one data interface to another data interface, the name of the field changes. That is what science is all about. अब हम cell biology के भी आगे जब जाते हैं, तो what do we see as a larger structure in the nucleus? Everybody knows this is chromosomes, and the field is called cytogenetics. And chromosomes, and then you say, what is a chromosome made of? Then all of you know this already, that you come across DNA structure, and then the field is called molecular biology. हमने कहाँ से शुरू किया? जेनेटिक्स से, फिर ग्रॉस एनाटॉमी, फिर हिस्टोलॉजी, सेल बायोलॉजी, एंड नाउ मॉलिक्यूलर बायोलॉजी. Molecules, so this was also called, it's like a director of nuclear affairs. It will run all the transactions. So they thought it's a mega molecule, megastar, and got Nobel Prize back then. लेकिन साइंस इतना तेजी से मूव कर रहा है that what was called the director has now become a database because the RNA community caught up, protein community caught up, systems biology caught up.